Welcome to the Health Journey channel, your ultimate destination for all things related to health and well-being. Today, we're embarking on a crucial journey as we delve into the intricate topic of 10 strange signs of liver damage. Your liver, often hailed as the body's ultimate multitasker, plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall health. From filtering toxins to aiding in digestion and regulating metabolism, the liver performs a myriad of functions essential for our well-being. However, despite its resilience, the liver is susceptible to damage, and recognizing the early warning signs is paramount to maintaining optimal health. Have you ever experienced persistent fatigue that seems to linger despite adequate rest? Or perhaps you've noticed unexplained weight loss that leaves you puzzled and concerned about your health journey? These seemingly innocuous symptoms could be subtle indicators of underlying liver issues, serving as a gentle reminder to pay closer attention to our body's cues. Imagine waking up to incessant itching that defies all conventional explanations. While it may seem like an isolated annoyance, it could be a silent cry for help from your liver. Yes, you heard that right. Persistent itching could be one of the surprising signs of liver dysfunction, urging us to delve deeper into understanding our body's signals. But it doesn't stop there. Have you ever paused to ponder the significance of changes in urine and stool color? These subtle alterations, often brushed aside as inconsequential, could offer valuable insights into the state of our liver health. Dark urine or pale stools may seem trivial, but they could serve as early warning signs of liver damage, prompting us to take proactive steps towards better health. Now, let's shift our focus to the abdominal region. Have you experienced bloating or discomfort that seems disproportionate to your dietary habits? Abdominal swelling or pain, often accompanied by a feeling of fullness, could be indicative of an underlying issue with your liver. Ignoring these symptoms could lead to further complications, underscoring the importance of attentive self-care. And then there's jaundice, the telltale sign of liver dysfunction that manifests as yellowing of the skin and eyes. While it may seem alarming, jaundice serves as a visible reminder of our body's intricate balance and the importance of nurturing our liver health. But the impact of liver damage extends beyond the physical realm, affecting our cognitive function as well. Have you ever found yourself struggling with mental fog or confusion without a discernible cause? Surprisingly, cognitive impairment could be linked to liver dysfunction, highlighting the interconnectedness of our bodily systems. Furthermore, have you noticed swelling in your legs and ankles that seems to defy conventional explanations? Edema, or fluid retention, is often associated with liver issues, emphasizing the need for a holistic approach to health that encompasses both physical and mental well-being. If any of these symptoms resonate with you, it's crucial to seek guidance from a healthcare professional. Early intervention and proactive management are key to mitigating the effects of liver damage and restoring optimal health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on navigating the intricate landscape of health and wellness. Together, let's embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, happier life.